Hello, welcome to the basement. I found this old radio that my dad marked very well to ensure that everybody knew who it belonged to. Probably we took it to camp. Probably. Now, it does have, excuse me, a little bit of, you even see written on the circuit board. It has a little bit of damage on the outside. There were no batteries in it. I think it takes AA batteries. I think, but we'll see. It's hard to tell when it doesn't really say, but I think it does. And all the contacts look good. There's a spring, of course. Push back against the spring. And indeed, the batteries fit. They do. So now, which is on? Okay, that must be tuning. That is tuning. Okay, so it was on. So that must be off. And this must be tuning AM. All right. Oh, well, no wonder. Look at that. It takes 4 batteries. That would be tragic to say, oh yeah, this is not working, when you don't realize there are 2 sides to this equation. All right. Spring is challenging. Okay, well that sounded good. That sounded good. Hang on here. I'm going to turn it off as I fumble. This spring does seem, it's very well compressed, and this one is really giving me a hard time about going in. That is frustrating, but I will get it, I'm sure. I think I will. I think I might. Maybe I'll push this one forward right to the end, and then try and squeeze the other one in behind with the spring. And the spring loaded effect. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. We are in. Okay. Now, I'm gonna turn this off again for a second. I'm gonna put this thing back inside. At least I think I will. I will put the back on, I think. I think that's the way it goes. Now, I am in a basement. It may be that it doesn't work very well in a basement. Okay.
You're listening to the John Oakley Show. Toronto's news. Today's talk. 640 Toronto.
Oh, okay.
Rapper Tom McDonald is going to join us right off.
Hang on. I was trying to get to 680 news.
pair of by-election campaigns, with one in Winnipeg
Okay,
expected to be
so
a head-to-head battle between these two parties.
it is
Cormac
working.
McSweeney, Parliament Hill. And coming up in just 30 seconds, we'll check on your gas prices and the drive to cottage country. Travel better with Air Canada. You can enjoy free beer, wine, and premium snacks in economy class.
Now, the case,
extended to flights with...
okay, it's working. The case is a little squirrely and might try and pop open because it's, well, if you look there, it's got a break in the corner. It does, but it is working. Yeehaw! Here's some AAA batteries that were not needed. And here's some stuff to recycle. Here's something I keep on saying I'm going to pass along to my brother. It is business card of our father. It is. It would have been like a luggage tag thing. Okay, so I'm going to try one other thing while I'm here. I keep on looking over and over and over at this microphone thing. And it's supposed to have a clip, but I can't find the clip. I guess the first thing to do is to see, does it fit in here? And it does. All right. So I'm going to open this up, go to camera, go to video. Maybe I'll have it look at me. Now, I suppose what I really need to do, even though I don't really want to, I'm going to undo the wires. Because, there we go. The whole thing of it is I should be able to have this a ways away and have it work. Or I should be able to. Okay, the wires are off. So we have some distance here. I have not used this before. I've never tried it before. I've had it for a long time, but I have not. Now, I have this funky thing here that might be helpful if I can. It's like a light thing. It's a cheap thing, but it might work. Where I can mount the phone in it, point it at me. Oh, it's recording. Hello. Funny, this light is not lighting up. But anyway, somehow it's recording. So I'm going to put this thing over here and say, hello, testing. And then I'm going to go, hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, hello, hello, hello. And then I will stop this. And then I will call this up and see what's what. And so far, I hear nothing. Oh, now, haha. There's a switch on here. And it is in the off position. This may greatly limit the possibilities of this working. So I'm going to re-aim this. I'm going to flip this to on. Then I'm going to push the button again. Hello, hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, testing. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to toss it way over there. Say hello, hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. And then we'll go back here. Do I have the volume up? Oh, it says I have headphones in. Well, that's mighty special, because this is definitely a microphone. And I hear nothing. So it may not be applicable to the iPhone. But I do have, and I have used a thing like this on a DSLR camera I have that does sound. I don't know if I've used this one, but I've used something like it. So I'm not giving up. Not yet on this. All right. So I will take it upstairs and put it amongst my camera things. I shall. And this, I will pull out of here. Oh my golly. This is a very. My grandmother said it's not cheap, it's inexpensive. Well, this is cheap. I'm afraid of hurting it. I just want to slide the phone out. That's all. Ah, there. Let's see here. There supposedly is a message for me. All right. But down in the basement, the service is not great. So that goes up with the camera stuff. Now, you may have noticed here that I have cleaned a lot of stuff off of here, and that is because there will be boxes. There will be boxes that come here. There will be. And I will go through them. I shall. I shall. I shall. But right now, I'm going to carefully gather up this little bits of crud. Ah! Yeah. And drop it on the floor. Great. Okay, so that's for recycling. This can go back upstairs. And this phone can sit here for a moment. This light.
Invest with advice. Visit dynamic.ca/advice to learn more. Hi, Cap.
Interesting. I'm not going to take that battery out of that yet. Or batteries. Maybe I will use it. Take a trip down memory lane. Okay. All right. That's it for now. Time to bring more stuff over so I can go through more stuff, so I can get rid of more stuff. I've taken some stuff upstairs. This area is a little bit affected, but not as much as I would like. Not as yet. But one step at a time. So, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.